Turn me up some. Yeah. Yeah, and it go like, you know we made it. You know we faded. You know we made it. So who's up next? Bitch, don't flex. Yo, do you really wanna go back to the crib and smoke that marijuana? Call that Marley. Bitch, acting smarty. Used to soak weed with my homie Marty. But who that is? I said, who that is? I think it's Slim P. Yeah, he's so good. And you know he's not from the hood. He's from the rest. Capital R to the Z. And you know I'll be gone on the song. Hear me flying, hear me trying. I'll be gone on the song. So you know I'll be gone on that long. Trying to hit the bomb, trying to make a song. Trying not to holler at your mom. Yeah, you know we made it. You know we faded. You know we faded. And you know we gon' drop what's hot. Yo, who really wanna do our own shit? Fuck yo bitch. We on top of the subject, they can't stop it. We on top of the topic, and what do you know? We ballin', and you know that your mom be callin'. But we not fallin', we not trippin'. And every night, every weekend we sippin'. You know we made it. You know we faded. You know we made it. So who's up next? Bitch, don't flex. Yeah, yo, sip it, we not trippin', we never slippin', we on grip, suck my fucking dick, and you know that we don't slip, trick. So what you wanna do, what you wanna do, when you know I'll leave you without a clue, and I'll be going, I'll be flowing, every single day I'll be growing, stronger, longer, matter of fact, smoke that strong, best believe I'ma make a fucking song, and it go like, hit it, you know we made it. You know we faded. You know we made it. And we never gonna drop, or we drop what's hot. You know we made it. You know we faded. You know we faded. We don't give a fuck cause we made it.